Everyone Else Burns follows the Lewis family, who all believe that the apocalypse is coming in the next decade. The Channel 4 sitcom will premiere on Monday, January 22, at 10 p.m. with all 6 episodes also available to watch on the channel's streaming service All4. Fans will want to tune into the comedy, which has a star-studded main cast. Who stars in Everyone Else Burns? David Lewis. Simon Bird. David is the head of the family and dictates what his wife and children should and shouldn't do to ensure their safety from an apocalypse. But when cracks start to show in his approach to keep everyone in line, David feels like he's losing control of their secured future. Actor Simon Bird is behind David Lewis and is best known for playing Will Mackenzie in the E4 comedy The Inbetweeners and Adam Goodman in Channel 4 sitcom Friday Night Dinner. Bird has also been in Sandylands, Chickens, and most recently, Ellie and Natasha. GB News sparks uproar as Samantha launches another attack on Meghan. Fiona Lewis, Kato Flynn. While David's wife Fiona is dedicated to the cult, she doesn't always agree with the way he goes about getting the family to follow the rules. She starts picking up revolutionary ideas from their next-door neighbor, which her husband definitely doesn't approve of. Most recently, actress Kato Flynn appeared in the BBC One comedy drama Death in Paradise. She was behind Izzy Parker, Di Neville Parker's, played by Ralph Little, sister who flew to St. Marie earlier this year for a visit. Some of Flynn's other work has been in Close to Me, Landscapers, No Offense, and Wanderlust. Rachel Lewis, Amy James Kelly. Rachel is the eldest sibling of the Lewis family and has always followed what her dad has said. But now a teenager, she finds herself tempted by the prospect of a life away from home. Soap fans will probably remember actress Amy James Kelly best for playing Maddie Heath in ITV's Coronation Street. She has since been in the Netflix drama Safe and BBC One series Three Families as well. Aaron, Harry Connor. Actor Harry Connor will star in his first ever TV role as Rachel's younger brother Aaron. NCIS Los Angeles cancelled after 14 seasons. Cancelled last of the summer. Wine star looks back at the gang's antics. Cast Mr. Blobby's original BBC costume found and on sale on eBay, revealed Miss Simmons, Lalia Defoe. Miss Simmons is a teacher at Rachel and Darren's school who gets an insight into their home lives. She is played by actress and stand-up comedian Lalia Defoe in the Channel 4 comedy. Defoe portrays Fran in the Hulu sitcom Shrill and Kitty, and the ghost of a Georgian noblewoman in the BBC show Ghosts. She was nominated for a National Comedy Award in 2021 for her latter role. Joel, Liam Williams. Actor Liam Williams has been in Ladhood, PLS Like, Back to Life and Year Friends. He is behind Joel in Everyone Else Burns, a troubled man in need of guidance. Other cast members include, Kadif Kirwan, Arshur Ali, Al Roberts, Morgana Robinson, Ali Khan. Everyone Else Burns premieres on Monday, January 23, at 10 p.m. on Channel 4.